Let's connect your social accounts so you can create and publish posts directly from QuickHub. From the QuickHub dashboard, open Quick Social, then the dashboard. First, connect Facebook. Click Facebook Connect. Enter your email or phone number and password, then click Login. Click Continue, then Save to grant permissions. Select your Facebook page, then click Send. Check the Facebook platform status. It should now show as connected. Next, connect Instagram. Click Instagram Connect, then get started. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Click Continue, then Save to grant permissions. Select Got it to proceed. Choose your Instagram page, then click Send. Confirm the Instagram status now shows as connected. Now let's link Twitter, X. Click Twitter Connect, then sign in. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Choose Connect your Twitter account to grant permissions. Check the Twitter platform tile. It should now show connected. Finally, connect LinkedIn. Click LinkedIn Connect. Enter your email or phone number and password. Then click Sign In. Select your business page, then click Connect to grant permissions. Confirm the LinkedIn platform tile now shows as connected. That's it. All your social platforms are linked. You're ready to plan, create, and publish posts straight from QuickHub across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, and LinkedIn with one click.